Are you trying to navigate the maze of EU product compliance requirements? It's hard enough just knowing where to find the right information. But what if there was an easier way? Let our EU compliance course be your guide. We break down complex EU regulations into step-by-step tutorials you can understand, covering the General Product Safety Regulation, EU Substance Regulations, EU Packaging Requirements, how to keep track of new and updated EU regulations, and much more. You'll also get access to valuable resources, including document and label samples, checklists, video lessons, and practical case studies. Plus, you'll get lifetime access, and all future updates are included. And rest assured, you're never on your own. You'll have a dedicated consultant on your side. Just send us a support ticket when you have questions about the course tutorials or compliance requirements in general. Your personal contact will get back to you, usually within 1 to 2 business days. We know your time is valuable. That's why each course is built to be completed quickly, typically in just 2 to 3 hours. Ready to take the next step? Sign up now on ComplianceGate.com.